Yo, 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 and how you doing, folks? Today I'm going to show you a Visual Basic tutorial. It's on how to save your settings. So, like, say you're going to make an internet browser that has its own home page and bookmarks, but you don't know how to do it. Well, I'm going to show you in Visual Basic. So, start off by opening Visual Basic. I use 2008 Express Edition. Doesn't matter which edition you want. This method works with the visualstudio.net. Let's start off by creating a new project. And let's name it Settings. Okay. So I'm going to do a simple application. So to start off, resize your form and do this. Go to under project, click settings properties. And where it says save my.settings on shutdown, uncheck it. So go back to your form. Let's do whatever settings you want. Hold on, let me do it. Okay, so let's put on controls here. Let's put on a text box. Smaller. And let's add a button. Now go back to the settings properties. Now go to click to the settings tab. You need to set up your strings. So click on name where it says setting and name the string whatever you want. Test. And where it says type, make sure it says string. It could be whatever you want, a boolean or true or false, decimal, double, integer, date, blah blah blah. Color, font, point, size, GUID, whatever you want. Scope is like if you want to save it through a user or the whole application, like through the computer. I usually check user so you can have your own settings. Okay, so let's click on the button 1 and change the text to save. Now double click on button 1 and where's after public class form 1, type in this. Dim setting as new my settings. Now where it says button 1, click, type this code in. There's the code. Setting.test equals textbox1.text setting.save. This all means the test setting in settings is the value of test in the settings is equal to the text in textbox1 and save your settings. And now let's double click on the form to actually load that string into the text box when you load it. So here's the code. Textbox1.text equals setting.test. This all means the text when you start the form, the text in textbox1 will equal the value in test in the settings. Okay, so let's try it out. Here it comes eventually. Okay, let's type in ASDFGHJKL 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let's click save. Let's close it. Let's bring again. And there we go. And there we go. That's the text, and that's how to save your settings in Visual Basic.